Today, I'm going to show you 2 ways to calm an anxious feeling. So if you're feeling anxious, all you have to do, number 1, is breathe. Controlled breathing will calm your vagus nerve and calm your whole body. Just do any kind of controlled breathing 6 times and you will feel calm. And number 2 is tapping. So you're feeling this anxious feeling. You start at the top of your head and say, I release this anxious feeling. I release and let it go. Under your eye, I release and let it go. Under your nose, I release and let it go. Your chin, I release and let it go. Your collarbone, I release and let it go. Under your arm, I release and let it go. And then squeeze your wrist and take a deep breath and say peace. It'll calm you even if you're not feeling anxious. It is a great technique. If you know somebody who would like to use this technique, go ahead and share it. Have a great day.